really good. And we're gonna eat the rest of those donuts. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyra if you're new here, and this week you guys are coming on vacation with me. Today is July 28th and we're going to be staying in the Outer Banks this week until August 2nd. I have been so ready for this trip, and some rest and relaxation time is much needed. We got in last night around 5 o'clock and we were able to unpack a little bit, spend some time on the beach, and run to the grocery store for some essentials. There are a lot of fun things that we have planned for this trip. We definitely want to tour some of the lighthouses around, get some yummy seafood, go to the pier, play mini golf, check out some of the little shops. We just have a whole list of things. But I am very excited to bring you guys along with me for the next week and just document this trip. So we are gonna start this morning out by relaxing on the beach a little bit. We wanna check out some cute little gift shops today, and we're gonna get some seafood for dinner tonight. But for now, I'm gonna grab my book and we're gonna walk down to the beach and just relax and read all morning. Which, by the way, I finally finished Every Summer After by Carly Fortune. You guys have seen me read that book like the last 5 videos, but I finally finished it. And I didn't give it a star rating yet, but it was very good and I liked the ending of it. So right before we left for the beach, I actually picked up Beach Read by Emily Henry from the library. So I am very excited to start Beach Read today as my beach read. But let's go ahead and get our things ready and walk down to the beach. So we got back from the beach, we got changed and kind of cleaned up a little bit, and it's about 5:30, so we're on our way to go get some dinner. We're both really in the mood for some seafood, so we're gonna check out this spot called Awful Arthur's Oyster Bar, and it has really good reviews, so I'm excited to try that out. We were looking at their menu while we were laying on the beach, and they have these crab cake sandwiches, so I'm definitely gonna try that. But before we do that, we're gonna play some mini golf because he needs to get his butt beat. So we'll play mini golf, we'll check out a few shops, and then we'll have some yummy dinner. Hit it and I was that close and it wouldn't go in.
Well, we just got done mini golfing and somebody got her butt beat, so she's lost camera privileges. She lost a bet losing mini golf, so that means I get to pick any appetizer I want at this next place we're going to eat, and she is forced to eat at least one bite of it.
I'm nervous. You want me to try it on camera?
Yeah.
How do you bite it? You don't bite it.
No, you don't bite the whole thing. Just you eat the stuff in it.
You just go like this?
Or you can just like bite it.
Oh my goodness. I don't know how I feel about this.
Try it.
It's actually pretty good. It's only day one and Brendan already got absolutely wrecked by the sun. He is so red. I don't know if you can tell in this lighting as much, but his face and his arms, especially like his shoulders, are just absolutely wrecked. So we need to start doing better with the sunscreen because it's only day one and we can't have this. Good morning, guys. We just picked up some duck donuts and coffee, and I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So here's what they look like. Look how good. We have a peanut butter and jelly donut, a maple bacon donut, blueberry pancake, cookies and cream, chocolate covered strawberry, and a s'mores donut. So they are looking very good. Are you excited about this?
We're very excited.
Very excited.
We're very excited.
And then we also, I got a caramel crazed iced latte, and he got a mocha latte, I think.
Mocha
Yep.
iced.
So we're gonna try some of these on camera, but the rest we're gonna take down to the beach and eat down there. So I think the one that I'm gonna try on camera is the blueberry pancake. And then which one would you like to try?
With the cookies and cream.
Okay.
Maybe cookies and cream.
All right, so blueberry pancake, here we go. It tastes really good. Really good. I can definitely taste the blueberry. What's your thoughts?
Fantastic. Good. On to s'mores. Oh man. It's better than the first one.
Oh, that one wins right now?
Yeah, that one wins right now.
Maple bacon. I don't know. I think maybe the blueberry pancake beats this, but they both taste really pancake, like French toasty. So the bacon makes it a little bit savory, and I don't know. They're both very good, but I think the blueberry beats this one. So we are gonna pack up our stuff and get ready to head down to the beach, and we're gonna eat the rest of those donuts. So we just got back from the beach and it's about 3:30ish. We have a tour scheduled at 5 p.m. to go see the Bodie Island Lighthouse. So we're gonna leave here pretty soon because we want to stop at a couple of shops before we head down. So let's go shopping and go see the lighthouse. is very windy out here today, but we're about to go on a little bike ride to a bookshop that's just up the road. It's about a 7-minute ride, so we'll ride up there and then I'll show you guys whenever we get there. So our 7-minute bike ride turned into a not so 7-minute bike ride because of someone. So we didn't realize that you had to cross the main road, and so we had to go all the way down to a crosswalk, then cross, then come back across, and then the whole thing coming back. So it definitely was not 7 minutes, and we definitely were biking through grass and sand, and it was just not a peaceful bike ride, but definitely a memory that we'll remember from this trip. But anyways, now we're getting ready to go to Tortuga's Lie. I'm very excited to eat here because it's been featured on diners, drive-ins, and dives, and it has really good reviews. So I'm excited to try something very yummy for dinner tonight. I'm leaning more towards the fish tacos right now, and what are you gonna get?
I'm gonna get the crab.
Okay, the crab. So, and then what appetizer were we gonna get?
Oh, it's like a crawdad.
Creole crawdads, yeah. So I'll show you guys whenever we get there, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. So we are making one last trip to Duck, that little town that we were at a few days ago. We got some really good ice cream. He got an Oreo milkshake that I drank probably more than half of. And we just had a really nice time looking at those little waterfront shops and sitting on the pier. So we're gonna head back there now and probably spend a good bit of our evening there. And then we'll get some dinner and spend the rest of the night at the beach.